right place. Telemed Nightingales Clinic is a trusted healthcare provider dedicated to delivering compassionate, accessible, and high-quality medical care to individuals and families in Trinidad, Colorado, and the surrounding communities. We specialize in primary care and walk-in urgent care, offering timely treatment for non-life-threatening illnesses and injuries in a welcoming, patient-centered environment. Whether you need routine health care, an urgent medical evaluation, or preventive services, our experienced team is committed to helping you achieve your best health. Your health shouldn't have to wait. At Telemed Nightingales Clinic, we provide urgent care, primary care, telehealth, wellness services, DOT exams, IV hydration, and more, all with compassionate care and convenient access. Personalized weight management programs, including medical and natural wellness options, add. Let's turn Trinidad, Colorado a blue zone. At Telemed Nightingales Clinic, we believe healthcare should be convenient, affordable, and focused on the individual. We combine modern medical care with genuine compassion, ensuring every patient receives personalized attention and respect. Our mission is to improve the health and well-being of our community by providing exceptional medical care with professionalism, integrity, and kindness. Visit us at 105 East Colorado Avenue, Trinidad, Colorado, 81082. Phone 719-398-0806. Telemed Nightingales Clinic. Compassionate care, convenient access, better health. Let's turn Trinidad, Colorado a blue zone. It's not a marketing strategy, it's a track record.